In today's video, let's quickly take a look at the way that you fix the WhatsApp voice call failed. If you're trying to call someone on WhatsApp and it is not going through, the first thing that you need to make sure is that if your internet connection is stable. You can also try switching between networks and try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, what you can also try out is try to look for any new updates available on the WhatsApp. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon the device, and then you can just search for WhatsApp. If you do see new updates available, you can just tap on the update button. Also, what you can do is try to clear the cache or the app cache of WhatsApp. So just tap and hold the app of WhatsApp and then head over to app info, which is this eye icon. From this settings page, you'll need to head over to storage and just tap on the clear cache option. You'll also need to make sure that WhatsApp has access to your microphone. So just head over to the permission section and then make sure that you head over to the microphone option, and then you'll need to select the allow option. As soon as you do that, you can head back and try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, the last thing that you can try out is try to restart your phone. Also, try to uninstall the app of WhatsApp from your device and then again reinstall it. That's pretty much all there is for this video. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.